Hello everybody. Now that you have accessed the weight management notes from Google Classroom, I'm going to show you how to use them. So below you will find the key terms, and throughout the unit I will be displaying important definitions that you will type down here. Below that will be some activities and worksheets that you will be completing throughout the unit as well. The important thing to know about this lesson is that in order for me to use your work, you must create a copy of the original document and save it as your own. So for instance, if you click here on the Wait and See worksheet, open that up. If you start writing anything in here, everybody else in the class will see it and I won't be able to give you credit. So what you'll do is go down to File, make a copy. You can delete copy of and put your name in and then hit OK. Once that's complete, you can get rid of the original and then start typing in your information here. Once you're finished, you're going to have to copy the link. You'll go up here to Share. Make sure you click down here and go to anyone with the link and then hit Copy Link and then Done. Once you've finished this entire worksheet, you'll do that. Go back into your notes, click your link here, and then hit Edit and Paste. That will create the link. If you want to be a little bit more fancy, you can create the hyperlink, copy that, or highlight it, right click so the menu opens, and then click Link. That way I can access it on my own and then grade you. And you will do that for every single one down below. In addition to that, you will see the food day tracker assignment. That's something that I will have another video for, as well as warm-ups and exit tickets, where you will click here and follow the links that I provide. Any questions? Let me know. Thank you.